So, guys, I will post a face reveal at about 1,000 subscribers. Okay, and I'm 3D printing stuff. People can buy them. Depends what you want. If it's big, like big, $10. Medium, 5. And if it's small, like $1 or 3. Yeah. So yeah, just for the record, yeah. Now bye.